Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this video we'll understand how to access union member. To access any member of a union we use member access operator, that is the dot operator. So let's start with an empty file. The member access operator is coded as a period between the union variable name and union member that we wish to access. You would use the keyword union to define variable of union type. The following example, now I am going to explain you how to access union member. So first of all we'll start with hash include stdio.h, standard input output header file, and then I would like to have one more string.h. So because I'm using string inside my union, that's why I'm going to use string.h. Let's define first one union, that is union data. Suppose you can give any name of your choice, and inside that I'm going to declare some of my union members integer I, float f, and suppose I'm using a character string of, again let's take 20 size, and then here must be a semicolon, and then inside integer main function I'm going to write down union data d. So d is my first member, and then I'm going to give access or giving value to my d, like I'm going to give like d dot I, because integer I is I have used, is equal to suppose 10. Then d dot f, it's supposed to be something like 25.25, float value, and then d, what we can say, we can use a string copy. So I'm going to copy one string in this variable location. So I'll use string copy function, string copy, and then what I'll do is, so inside you have to open one bracket like string copy, and then what you have to do is, again you have to write down d dot str comma, and you can give any string of your choice. I'll put welcome. So I have given this line, and then you have to put a semicolon. So we have given a value to our members of our union. Now we are going to print the same. So I'm going to print f. Inside that I'll write down, suppose first of all d dot I. So d dot I is my first member. D dot I is percentage d format specifier because it's an integer value. D dot I comma d dot I because it's the value, and then I'm going to copy this line for all those three remaining. We'll keep it here, and then I'm going to copy this line by using a control C, control V, and control V. So first of all it's d dot I, which is done, that is the integer value. Then I'm going to use it for d dot f. It will be percentage f, a format specifier. Here will be a percentage d dot f. After that d dot str, I'm using str, a string, and then the format specifier is percentage s and d dot s. So here we have written a printf statement to all those three variables which we have declared here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a return 0 statement. So here we will start writing return 0 statement. So I have written my program of accessing union member. I'm going to save this file as acc.c. After saving this file, first of all we'll build this. So here is the error that is showing. Let's check it out. What's the error? So here you have to write down str, actually not s. Let's build it again. Now we are going to run this. Okay, so in this case we have given a value as integer value as 10 and floating value as 25.25, but here in this case it's showing only welcome and it's not showing the proper values of our integer and our floating value. Why it is happening so? So here we can see that I and f members of union got corrupted. because the final value of assigned to that variable has occupied the largest memory location, and in this case the largest memory location is string. So now let's do, like, we are doing some changes in our program to have a proper output. So here I have written d dot I is equal to 10. I'm going to use this printf statement, not here, I'm going to print it here. So we are changing the flow of our program. So I'm gonna changing it here, and I'm gonna use it here, and then this will be like this. So here we have made some changes in our program. So what changes we have made is we have given a particular value to particular printf statement, so it will access in this way, in the same way, and it will give you a proper output. So let's run and build this file. Now you can see that the 10 is integer value, the 25.25, because when the program control comes here, it will take this value and it will take that memory location only, and it will show that value. After printf statement executed, it will jump to this line, and then it will take this memory location, and then it is printing 25.25. Then it will jump to string, and then it will take that memory location. So program control goes line by line. So this way you can access union member smoothly. I hope you understood today's program. Thank you.